Alright. You ready for this? I'm not. But it's gotta be done. I'm sorry. That last little little spree we went on, killing spree, was an embarrassment. I'm sorry, but it was. They went and they grabbed your hair, and guess who had to come and save you? Alright, so I got my scissors right here. Yeah, they're not, stylus scissors. Like I said, I'm not a hairdresser. I gotta go with what I got. They're just, your typical craft scissors. But it should be good enough, right? I mean, they still cut. If it can cut paper, I'm sure it can cut your hair. You nice and cozy? Okay, good. Guess I can just get started then. Coming along nicely. Man, how can you handle having such long hair all the time? It's a big, tangled mess. Don't you feel like you're being strangled at night? Like, when you go to sleep and stuff? I mean, like, how embarrassing would it be to be, like, a cool, like, serial killer and stuff, and all of a sudden, the thing that takes you down, finally, is because someone grabbed your hair. Your embarrassingly long, messy hair. What kind of reputation is that? I mean, you want to talk about having an embarrassing killer reputation? Just look at Jeff. I mean, his whole catchphrase is so stupid. Like, waking people up to say, go to sleep. I'm Jeff. Here's a mirror you can look at. What you think? No, I think it looks good. You don't like it? I think you look cute.